Welcome to the e-stamping tutorial on how to stamp documents relating to lease and tenancy. After logging in via SingPass, click on Stamping. Select Lease and Tenancy. Input your file reference number, if any, and select the relevant description under Nature of Transaction and Document Description/Title. If you have a past related stamping record, you can enter the document reference number to pre-fill the form details and click Retrieve. If not, click Skip. Next, under Document Details, select Physical or Electronic for the format of your document. Indicate whether your document was signed in Singapore or overseas. If signed overseas, indicate the date that the document was received in Singapore. Lastly, enter the date that the document was signed. If the date is unavailable, click the checkbox. For electronic documents, select the type of document under Mode of Offer and Mode of Acceptance. Fill in the landlord and tenant details. If there is more than one landlord or tenant, click the Add button below the respective section to add more parties. Next, under the Property Land Details section, click on Property. Enter the postal code and click Retrieve to auto-populate the address. Next, select the address, then fill in level and unit numbers, after which select the property type and letting type, and fill in the total lettable area in square feet or square meter if available. If there is more than one property, click on Property and repeat steps 2 and 3. Next, for rental details, first indicate if there is any consideration for the lease. If there is, specify the amount of residential and/or non-residential consideration. Next, indicate whether monthly rent is payable. And specify the lease period and rental charges. You may select the end term by date or months. If end date is indefinite, tick the checkbox. If there are additional charges, click Additional Charges and fill in the details. If there is more than one rental charge, click Add and fill in the details. Next, any applicable remissions, reliefs, or exemptions would be indicated here. Carefully review that all information entered is correct. To make changes, click Edit next to the relevant section. Select I declare to make your declaration. And click Submit to IRS to proceed to pay. Click Pay to proceed to payment. If you have an existing GIRO arrangement, you will be brought to the acknowledgement page instead. On the payment page, please note down the document reference number. Next, select your preferred payment mode. And click Continue to proceed. If payment is successful, or if you have selected Proceed to Acknowledgement, you will be directed to the final acknowledgement page. To know how to download your stamp certificate, watch our other e-stamping tutorial on how to do stamp certificate retrieval and amendment. That's all. Thank you for watching this tutorial.